What is up guys, done at this site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word. So first, you need to head over to your Microsoft Word's website and then we will just create a blank document by just clicking on create blank document. And after that, when we are redirected to the blank document here on the right side, you will see the add-ins option. Simply click on it once to see all the add-ins. After clicking on this add-ins button, here you can see the Grammarly has been already added in my add-ins, but if it is not added in your add-ins, you can just simply search for Grammarly, and after searching here you will open the extension for Grammarly, and after that you can just simply install it. As you can see, my Grammarly has already been added in my Word. When I'll just simply click on once on Grammarly, I'll click on login to Grammarly, and after logging in, here I can use my Grammarly in my Microsoft Word. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.